So 169 million Americans have received at least one dose of the COVID vaccine. That's coming from the CDC. That is more than half of the country. And today is Vaccine Awareness National Day of Action. It leads into a month of events and incentives to hit President Biden's goal of 70% of Americans with at least one shot in the arm by the 4th of July. So we've had companies, states, cities, the White House offering incentives to get the numbers up. So if you're on the fence, now may be the perfect time. We have Dr. Maria Rivera with Harris County Public Health. Good morning. So first, I'll ask you, it's starting to look like a game show with everything that's being offered with the vaccine. So what do we have available behind door number one?
So there's many things available at this point. There's gift cards, there's tickets, you can see the Astros, there's concerts, and just yesterday, Judge Hidalgo released a new scholarship program that is going to be a raffle for all kids that are under the age of 18, so 12 to 18 if they qualify for the vaccine right now. If they get their vaccine through Harris County Public Health, then they'll be automatically entered into a raffle where every week, starting next week, we'll raffle off $5,000, a $5,000 scholarship for kids to use at community college, regular college, etc. And that will happen for the next 10 weeks. So there'll be 10 $5,000 scholarships as well.
And then I like to say the number one incentive is you get to hug and see your loved ones again if you've been staying away for more than a year. So I wonder at this point, do you even need an appointment, or could you just be driving down the road, see a sign, and just go ahead and get yourself a shot?
Yep, exactly what you said. So if y'all remember in the beginning, it was incredibly hard to get a vaccine appointment. Everyone was trying to scramble in. Right now, if you want to make an appointment, you still absolutely can. You can go to readyharris.org, or you can go to the Harris County Public Health website and get an appointment. Some people just feel more comfortable knowing that they have a designated time. But if not, you can just find any of our sites. And we know that even other partners are just offering walk-ins at this point.
You know, there is one question that's been popping up. Do you have to go back to the same place to get your second shot, or do you just need to make sure that the brand matches?
Mm-hmm. Ideally, you go back to the same place, but that's not a requirement anymore. In the beginning, we were requiring that because there was so limited vaccine that we wanted to make sure that if we gave you your first dose, we would have that second dose available to you, and we wouldn't give it to someone else. At this point, at all of our sites, if you've gotten it somewhere else, we will give you your second shot. And just exactly what you said, if you had a Pfizer vaccine the first time around, you have to get a Pfizer vaccine for the second one. If you had Moderna for the first, you have to get Moderna for the second.
Okay, so let me ask you, as a doctor, there's been some hesitancy from a lot of people. Do you have any reservations at all, feet to the fire, any reservations at all about any of these vaccines?
No, absolutely none. We have all 3 vaccines available in Harris County. You can walk in to get any of them. I got it practically one of the first days that it came out back in December, as soon as I could. All my family members have got it as well. I recommend it to absolutely everyone, including, and as a pediatrician, including children 12 to 18. It's a very effective vaccine. It's a very safe vaccine.
Okay, we do what we can. And again, you get the game show cash and prizes to boot as well. Dr. Rivera, thank you so much. Appreciate the time.
Thank you.